Hello fellow rebels, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I do the powder check and the checks I do every time before I go out on a spin. And it's a good habit for beginners, it's a good habit for everybody, but I've been doing it from the start, so it'll take 2 minutes once you finish doing it, or once you get used to doing it. So I'm just going to run you through it all now, okay? So let's go. So first of all, obviously we'll start her up. In a second, I'll just pop that there. So that's your first check done. Everything is running. You can hear it's running away there, no problem at all. So I'll just turn it off for the rest of it. Turn off the power anyway. Okay, so we're going to have a look then at the indicator. So I check the indicators first. So down the left, the indicator here. Let's check there's no damage to it there. Look to the back. You can see all good there as well. And then switch her over then to the other side. Check her on the back here. Yeah, no bother, no damage there at all. Check around here. No damage, and then check up the front. So there you go, that's fine, all good. Knock that off, just press it in. See there, just press it in. Okay, so then we have the front lights. So front lights go in here, in here. So let's turn them on. You have this here, and then we just check the beams. So your full beams are here. Sorry, I'll bring it around there. So full beams are here. So check it there, okay? So full beams there as well. So then I just check the mirrors, see if there's any damage to them. No, they're fine. Fine as well. Yeah, all good. All on the back. Quick little check, a little run over the wires here as well. Checking here. All good. So we can check the brake fluid while we're standing. You can see that there. That's fairly full there anyway. So that's fine. Another thing is I'm going to check the kill switch. So give me a second, I'll turn it back on. So the kill switch is here. That's if there's any emergency braking or anything like that. That needs to be working. So boom, there you go. Okay, that's working. Happy days. Turn off that your battery, and then we can check the other lights. So we're going to check the front brake first. So front brake here. So we're looking for this light to go on here. You can see it there. That's the front one, okay? Back down onto the stand, and then the back brake, rear brake, is here. So get a foot down on this one. See the red light coming up. Just make sure that's working. That's how you check your bulbs and all that kind of stuff as well. Okay. So then check down here. There's no damage to this here. Here are your foot pegs. No damage there. That's where the oil goes. In there. That's not loose. Anything like that. There's no cracks here. Then you check your glass down here. See the glass down here, and it fills up. Yeah. So that's your engine oil, okay? So just make sure you keep an eye on that the whole time. Like I said, if you're checking it regularly, you'll know anyway. The exhaust, don't touch it when it's warmed up. It's not really warmed up, but I'm not going to touch it anyway. But you can see that's alright. Everything here is alright too. Tank, no damage. All around there, the seating then as well. And then you have the suspension on the back. So what I do for suspension, I'll show you in a second. I'm just going to check the back light here. Right there, no damage here. Your little fluorescent light, fluorescent reflector is here. That's fine as well. And then we have a look in here. So we have a look at the chain. Chain probably needs a bit of a clean. I might do a video on that just to clean it up. But there's no damage to the chain or kinks or anything like that I can see. These are all fine here. No damage here as well. and no damage on the suspension. So then we'll check the wheels. So wheels nice and hard, nice bit of depth on it there. That little fuel pump. It seems a lot at the moment, but it won't be like that when you get used to it. So this arrow here, that has to be on the on. See that on there? That has to be on the on there, okay? And just when you're going to have it on that, the arrow will point down there anyway. And then if you're low on fuel, put it onto the reserve. You know, if you have to make it to a garage or something like that, just use that. But most 99 times out of 10, I was going to say, out of 100, you have to have it on the on, okay? And again, it's a little visual check on everything here. That's your gear shifter, and like I said, you can check the standing as well. So give that a little flick in and out. I locked there last week, so put a bit of WD-40 on that one. It was looking a bit rusty, and it wasn't springing like that. So again, that's from looking at it the whole time and knowing that it's not going back and forwards as it should do. So you will see the little things that you mightn't normally see if you're only giving it a once over every now and again. Just keep checking it. This is your fork seals there as well. They're fine, just got them done. Anyway, a little crack here, I know it's there anyway, but I have that seal there, just keep an eye on it just in case it comes out any more. Then check your tyre. Tyre is fine, it's pumped up there and everything. So what I do then is my last checks are the suspension. So if you can see it, I'm going to try to hold it. I'm going to check the suspension there, come down on it, and then check the forks here on the front. So it's maybe a bit harder to do this one, but basically you push down on the levers and you make sure that that's working okay. And like I said again, you just check everything, check the fuel. So I'll check the fuel here, and even though I have it on the gauge there, you can see the gauge. I put that to 0 every time when I fill it up, because it's just a handy little tip, because then you know how much you have to give. So when I bought it, he said around 250, 300. He used to always fill it up, so I always fill it up around the 250 mark. It's just it's a good way to check your petrol, you know, when you're out on a drive and stuff like that as well. And then you have your petrol. So I need a bit of petrol obviously, but you can see it whooshing around there. Give it a little shake. Okay, so that's basically it really. Is there anything else? No, I don't think there's anything else, but that's the powder check. So petrol, oil, water, damage, drive, electrics and rubber. And you can do S for steering as well, so make sure the steering's okay. So you can give it a little push around there, make sure the steering's alright, everything like that. Just check the little nuts and bolts. Like I said, if you're checking it the whole time, you'll notice little changes anyway, because you're used to watching everything. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments there below. And thanks for tuning in. Deise Rebel out.